This video is for giving some overview about a few AI tools. Actually, I arranged it in a few sections. AI chatbots, AI for image generation, AI for video creation, AI for audio, AI for coding, AI for productivity, AI for research, and fun AI experiments. Okay, let me show one by one. First one is ChatGPT. It is provided by OpenAI. Okay, I have already logged in with this. Otherwise, we have to first log in. Okay, we can use our Google account also for logging into this ChatGPT. Okay, you can come to chatgpt.com and you can ask any questions. Okay, it will give answers for your questions. It is operated by LLM GPT-4 model. Okay, and we can change the model also. I will show that. But generally, by default, it will be using GPT-4 model. It's a multimodal model. That means we can ask questions in text. We can use images. Okay. First of all, let me just start with a very simple thing. What is 4 plus 5? Okay. So it will immediately give the answer. Okay. So, and we can ask it to write a poem. Write a poem about moon. It will be writing the poem. If you feel that the poem is lengthy, you can ask it to rewrite by reducing the size. You can ask it make it short, or even you can ask it to change the tone, other things. Okay, so just you can interactively work with ChatGPT. Okay, not only text, you can use image also. For example, you can upload image, or you can get it from Google Drive. Okay, so you can upload any images, and you can ask questions related to that. Okay, so I'm just uploading this introduction to AI, that thumbnail image. Okay, so I can ask questions like I just first of all I can ask it to tell the text on that image. Okay, tell the text on this image. So it's kind of OCR. It will be recognizing the text and it will give the sentence. Okay, introduction to AI. Okay, apart from that, you can ask it to describe it, what color, how it's looking, like that. Okay, not only this one, we can even ask ChatGPT to create images. Okay, maybe we can ask it to create a similar image, create an attractive image to show this text. Okay, it will try to create the image. Even you can give instructions like the background should be like this. You can use this kind of font, like that. Okay, so now introduction to AI, so it's somewhat better than this, right? We can use it for promotion, other things. Okay, suppose if you have created video like this, introduction to AI, and if you want to promote it on Instagram and Twitter, you can use this image. So a lot of things are there. Not only this one, even in real time also we can use to get some details from images, text details. Okay, it will save a lot of time and time for typing the things. But one thing is sometimes it will be the answers may be wrong, so we need to be very careful because of hallucination. Okay, and if you want, you can use this speaker icon to hear the text as audio, and similarly you can use this icon for voice mode icon for uh, speaking. Instead of typing, you can just ask questions by clicking this mic. Okay, and moreover you can use ChatGPT for writing coding also. We can ask it to write a Python code to reverse the string. Not only writing code, we can just copy our code here and we can ask it to debug it, or if you want explanation, it will explain one by one each sentence. Okay, so it's a really useful thing. You can use it for creating ebooks also. Okay, it is just to overview about ChatGPT, but a lot of things are there. We have to use proper prompt engineering. The next one is Gemini, Google Gemini. It is almost similar to ChatGPT. Here also you can ask any questions. You can use images and audio. Okay, so almost same as ChatGPT. Okay, create an image for my ebook cover. We can explore various LLM chatbots so that we can get better answer. We can just go through various things like ChatGPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, like that. Okay, so you can use the best one. Okay, and even you can cross check it. You can ask it to create an article from ChatGPT and paste that content in Gemini and ask Gemini to verify whether any error is there, like that. Okay, almost all the things are similar. Okay, and similarly, Perplexity AI, it's viewed as a search engine. We can get latest information also here. Okay, here also we can ask questions. Almost all these things we have to log in. Okay, I already logged in, so otherwise it will ask to log in. Okay, these are all AI chatbots. Like that, a lot of other things also there. Like DeepSeek is right now it's growing very fast. Okay, and next one is AI for image generation and editing. DALL-E is image generation model provided by OpenAI. It is already integrated with ChatGPT. That is why we are able to create images within ChatGPT itself. Okay, so we can give test descriptions and it will automatically generate images based on our descriptions. Okay, lot of applications are there using DALL-E. You can use them. Even you can use for creating your own application. Okay, next one is Canva AI, magic design, magic edit. So we can see various features: make me an image, write my first draft, resize any design, remove backgrounds. Okay, all of them are using AI. Okay, you can ask to create image, create an image with a dog head and peacock legs. Okay, I'm just for telling as an example, but you can use it for any kind of real things. Okay, for your marketing purpose. Next one is remove.bg for removing the backgrounds from the images using AI. Okay, so here you can just upload the image. Okay, and then ask it to remove the background. Okay, it will remove it. Here they provided some samples. Okay, so it will save you a lot of time for doing image editing, right? Next one is AI for video creation. The famous one is Runway ML. So here we can start using it. They provided a lot of examples. Next one is Synthesia. This one also free AI video generator. You can just give text for creating videos. Okay, they also provided samples. You can just go through that. And similarly, the Pika Labs also. And AI is useful for audio generation as well as transcription also. Okay, this 11 Labs is famous for creating voice. So you can just give the text, it will convert into speech. Okay, so you have to just give the text and then you can choose some options. Okay, and then it will create the audio for you. And this one Whisper provided by OpenAI, it is for speech to text transcription tool. So we have to upload the voice and it will convert into text. It will save a lot of time for doing transcription. Okay, this Voiceify AI will clone your voice. Okay, any voice to generate further text. So I'm just giving as an example. A lot of things can be done. Okay, so just a few examples. You can just go through those sites and try it by yourself. Okay, apart from that, AI can be very useful for programming also. So for example, in case of GitHub Copilot, it can help you to write the coding on your favorite IDE itself. Okay, so if you provide the code and you can ask it to fix the error. Okay, it will be fixing the error and updating the code itself. Okay, similarly other tools are there, Codium, Tab9. And productivity, for productivity, the Notion AI is very famous. Almost we can do a lot of things within Notion itself. Okay, so it will be saving a lot of time. So a lot of people are using this to improve the productivity. Okay, you can do the search, generate documents, analyze insights to get insights. We can chat with any kind of AI chatbots, everything within from within the Notion itself. Okay, you can see the samples here. And similarly, Grammarly, I hope everyone will be using it for doing a grammar check, right? It will be very useful for writing. And for research, a lot of research assistants are there for summarizing any academic papers. So it will save a lot of time, okay? And a lot of fun experiments also there. So this site, this person does not exist. It will be randomly generating a human image. Actually, it's not an image of any particular human. It is AI generated, okay? So it's looking like a real person, right? If you click refresh it, it will generate new images, okay? Just for fun purpose, so that we can understand the power of AI. And this deep nostalgia, you can give some old image, it will automatically generate video for that, okay? See, for example, for this image, it created this video. Similarly, a lot of things they provided, you can try by yourself. So all these things is just for giving some overview about how AI can be used. But in real application, it's almost useful in almost all the industries, medical. So they're useful in identifying diseases by seeing the scans. Okay, even it is useful for creating new kind of medicines. Okay, so just to understand this, just to get familiar, just to you can go through these things so that you can understand the AI power. Okay,